Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new 2010 Lexus IS 350 hardtop convertible. Stock number X000X. Only 4,500 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Matador Red in color. Not only low miles, but spotless inside and out. Seats 4, leather interior. Power tilting front seats make it easy to get to the second row. Body is free of dents or dings. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk. This IS 350 has keyless entry along with proximity entry. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats along with the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Again, only 4,500 miles. Power top operation. No latches to release. Fully opens in seconds. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for dual zone temperature control. Radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Goes along with the 12 speaker Mark Levinson sound system. Navigation. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate. Heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Overhead auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Let's take a look with the top down. Under the hood, this IS 350 has a 3.5 liter V6, 306 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles a gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Lexus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.